Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on multiple niches, on different niches, and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. And you can also sell this skill on offline market. You can go to social media pages and ask them your services. Go to Google, check websites and ask them about your services, so they will surely hire you. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create educational logo in Canva. So our uh, dummy company name is education sect, education sect, insect to sect and education sect. So uh, like we named it also like our education. So our education is our dummy company name. It's just a simple name. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about Canva, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily learn it. And if you want to learn complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload complete playlist on Canva designing. After watching the playlist, I will surely say that you can completely know everything about Canva. It is A to Z course. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo, and 500 by 500 is most popular format using for logo creation. So let's see. So it's ready. So I click on element and I write here education graphics. So let's see, one of the best education icon. So we make the name of our company is education globe or global education. So I paste a text and write that. So it's look good and we place it in center. So that's it. So this is our logo. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.